everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Megan. Thanks so much for watching. Today I am back with a unbagging for you guys. Unboxing, unbagging, I don't know, it came in this bag of IAB MFG, or I Am Becoming workout shorts and leggings. I ordered a while ago because I got an ad on Facebook for a mystery box of shorts. So it was 5 shorts for $29 with free shipping. And then when I was like looking through their website, they also had a mystery box of 3 leggings for $29.99, and I'm always in need of leggings. And then I also grabbed 3 bottoms for $19.99. So I know that I should have like 11 pairs of bottoms in this bag box, whatever you want to call it, but I don't know what they look like or the styles, because I think the styles can vary too. So I'm going to unbox it with you and try it on and tell you what I think. So let's go ahead and get into it. Gonna have to Hulk this open because I did not bring any scissors or anything. Okay, so all of it came in these individual little package things with the IAB MFG logo and information on it. So let's do the first one and see what it is. Okay, so it is a pair of leggings. I'm not mad at these. It's like a burnt orange color with some detailing on the leggings. Not mad at that. Pretty cute. And I got everything in a size small, just as an FYI, based on their size chart. So hopefully it works out. Okay. Next, we got a pair of like mauve pink leggings, and it looks like it's the same style, so it kind of has, you might even be able to see it better on the pink, but it's got this like detailing and texturing all the way down, and the middle part here is kind of meshy. Next, these are some like seafoam green leggings. These are just like smooth, they're super soft leggings. Honestly, like I would never pick this color to wear because I don't know, I just feel like it's a flashy color, but I really think it's pretty. Very, very pretty. And it looks like these might be like three-quarter length maybe. They don't look quite as long as the other 2 pairs. Okay, so that looks to be all of the leggings. Now diving into all of the shorts, because there should be a lot. All right, we are back with more burnt orange. These are like short. Let me see if there's like a style on this tag or anywhere. Nope, it does not say a style. There's no style, but what I want to point out to you in the leg part is it has this like silicone no slip, should not ride up your booty stripping. So hopefully that's the case. I will have to try them out and I'll let you guys know once I try these on. Okay, next pair of shorts are these like heathered gray shorts. I really like these. And let me see. These do not have the whatever you would call it, the silicone stripping. They don't have the silicone stripping in the leg, but they do have a logo here on the side. Next, we have a maroon color. These are really pretty. I like this color. And these do have the silicone stripping. Okay, this pair looks super fun. This pair is Galaxy and does have the silicone stripping in it, but these to me look maybe like a, I don't know. I was gonna say they look a little bit longer, but maybe not. So far, I'm digging all of these like colors that I've gotten. Like they are not necessarily colors that I would pick, but I'm liking them. Okay, next pair is this like pink and black. I guess this is like a polka dot. I was gonna say a cheetah print, but it's not really a cheetah print. And I don't think these are striped. Oh, just kidding. These do have silicone in them, so that's good. Hopefully I like the silicone anti-slip type feel. We'll see. Okay, there's 3 more pairs in here. All right, this pair is just plain black with the IAB logo on them. These do not have the, oh, just kidding. These do have the no slip stuff in them. I was thinking they didn't because the other pair doesn't, right? Yeah, the gray pair that looks like this does not have it, but that's okay. Okay, next we have like a navy pair. And of course these have the no slip stuff in them. And finally, the last pair is a, this is an animal print. And these do look longer, like in the inseam here, so we'll see. And they also have the anti-slip stuff in the legs. So yeah, let's try them on. Okay, so here is the first pair of leggings. Pretty cute detailing. They fit okay. They're kind of, I don't know. The paneling is really weird because I've never had pants with paneling like this, but I kind of like it. Let's see if they are squat proof. We'll see. Hopefully they're squat proof. I feel like they would be, but you never know. Okay, let's try on the next pair. All right, so here is the mauve pink pair. I'm here for the color. Still not sure about the paneling, but I do like, overall I do like them. I will say this, that it is tricky to get on because the ankles are kind of tight, which is weird, but everything else fits just fine. So let's do a squat test. Hopefully you could not see anything, but I feel like you can maybe see underwear lines in this pair. I don't know. Editing Megan will tell you. Okay, so I have the seafoam blues on now, and let me just say this color, so pretty. And they are super soft, but they were tighter than the other two to get on, even though they're the same size. So I feel like maybe you can see underwear back here, but let's squat test. We'll see. We'll see how that squat test turns out. But I really, really like these. Okay, this is the first pair of shorts. It does have the silicone sticky stuff in here, and let me tell you, it is pretty sticky. Like I don't feel like these are gonna go anywhere. Like they should have like ridden up. Like my Nike Pros would have totally would have ridden up. I mean, I think they're pretty squat proof, from what I can tell. Let's try it. Yeah, I really like these. Although now I feel like you can see my underwear in the back. Yep, so they did ride down a little bit in the waist, but I'm not that worried about that. So yeah, let me go ahead and try on the other, what feels like a million pairs of shorts, and I'm just gonna do it really quick so you can see what they look like on, because they're all basically the same, except for that last pair. Okay, this is one pair that does not have the non-slip stuff in it. Just see you want to see it like flipped on me. Let's see if that happens again. Yeah, so it rolls a little bit, not crazy though. I feel like they're pretty squat proof. I feel like they're pretty squat proof, but they do roll a little tiny bit. But these are really pretty soft and comfy, so I feel like I would wear these around the house, if that makes sense. Maybe not work out in them, or maybe do like light workout, but no, nothing crazy. All right, so here is the maroon pair, basically the same as the burnt orange pair. I feel like these are really cute. Again, they have the anti-slip stuff. All right, here is the galaxy pair. I feel like this pair is really fun. I really like how they look. And again, they have the anti-slip stuff. All right, here is the pink and black polka dot. I don't know what you would call this. Like, what print is this? I don't know. But I kind of like it. I'm digging it. Again, with the anti-slip situation, I feel like these are going up a little bit higher maybe than some of the others. Definitely up higher than that first pair of orange ones that I had on. But anyways, I am so far really happy with this decision to get all these mystery boxes. So this is the black pair with the logo on the side. These do have the anti-slip on them though, so you know what, I feel like these are going to replace my Nike Pros when I go riding, because it'd be nice to not have them like moving around under my riding pants. And they're pretty comfy, not gonna lie, pretty comfortable. Okay, there's two more pairs left. Okay, here is the navy pair. I feel like these are exactly the same as the burnt orange pair, but I don't know what the difference is between these and like some of the other colors, like the galaxy color or like the pink and black polka dot. Like what is the difference? I don't know. But I feel like they are cut a little bit different because maybe these are shorter. I'm not sure. But I'm liking them. Really, really liking them. Okay, so this is the last pair. These are the longer ones, and I did find out that on some of the tags it will say like what they are. These are the 5-inch no-ride shorts. Some of the other ones were 3-inch no-ride shorts. Some of them it doesn't say what they were, so who knows. I'm not sure that I would have like picked these out for myself, but I also like don't hate them, so there's that. I just feel like this is a really loud print, and I'm not really like one to pick longer shorts, but with me pulling my leg up, like these bad boys are not moving, which is just crazy. So anyways, let's sit down and talk about these for a second. Okay, so now that I've tried everything on, let me give you like my final thoughts, a little bit of a first impression review, and like sum everything up. So I feel like for the money, the quality is really, really good. And I don't think you can beat like 6 shorts for $30. Like that's pretty good. Like you can't get Target shorts for $6 a piece. Not in the women's section anyways. So I feel like that's really good. And they are all very comfortable. The material feels really nice. So I don't have any complaints there. I will say a lot of these color choices are not what I would pick, but I did that on purpose to get myself to like step out of my comfort zone and try something new and have things picked for me, because sometimes I get a little bit overwhelmed with choices. And so when the choice was made for me, it made things so much easier, and it was kind of exciting to open something that I didn't know what I was getting. So I'm down for the mystery box in that aspect. I will say this, their sizing is pretty spot on, but one pair of the leggings was a little bit tighter than the other two, because I think maybe it was a different style. Well, obviously it was a different style, but for whatever reason, that one in a small was a little bit more snug than the other ones in a small. So just keep that in mind if you are ordering, that some of the styles are a little bit different. I do wish with the long leggings that I had gotten, like, instead of the same style in 2 different colorways, that I would have gotten like a different style, you know, like a third style instead of the same style in a different color. But I'm not mad at it. I do like both of the colors. I think they're beautiful. So I'm not like displeased by any means, but more variety would have been better. So yeah, I think in the future I will definitely order from them again. And just as a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this all with my own money, and Facebook ads got me really, really good. So yeah, that's how it happens sometimes. So anyways, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.